system is ultra smooth, very, very nice to crawl on. A little treacherous. Cliffside of Darlington. We're gonna get down there and we're gonna go for a crawl along the beach. That's the plan. All right, now I gotta do that. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer. I'm at Darlington Provincial Park and we're gonna go for a crawl with the TRX4s. I put a Fusion SE in my TRX4. Let's go down to the beach and try it. They're rooting away. Oh, I gotta go this side of it. It's hard to see the... Maybe I should get down there. Oh, gouge the body before we even... All right. Got to that landing. Now I gotta get there. I made it. So the FoC system is really nice because you can give constant throttle and it'll get up whatever obstacle you put in front of it without you having to dial in extra throttle input. It's really a game changer for crawlers. That should be super duper smooth. So my buddy with the orange blazer just fell over. He has a Fusion Pro in his and I have the Fusion SE. So we'll see if we get any kind of differences as we get out on our first crawl together today and our first time with Fusion, Hobbywing Fusion systems. Get over that driftwood and we'll head to that, see that red boulder there? We'll try and see if we can get there. Okay. So, whoa, yeah, she's got lots of pep. That's two speed full throttle. Want to have a little drag race in the rocks towards ourselves? Sure. Line up your rear bumper at the driftwood and then we'll... Oh, okay. And then we'll full send it towards ourselves. All right, which is the faster system? Are you still on the stock 11-tooth pinion? Yeah. So I've got the Fusion SE, 1800 kV. I think yours is a 2200. You want to count down?
So we go on 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Pretty near identical.
On 3.
Yep.
1,
2, 3. You got the jump on me a little bit. You do have the downside of having all the bumpers and long tire and everything on this.
Definitely more scale.
Well, like your Jeep could definitely do that if it, although the gap looks small. I don't know.
The gap is
So I'm just constant throttle. Oh, I'm gonna get high center again. Oh, yes, yes. Come on. Oh, I've hit my pins have hit the. That's just a clearance problem. It would do it. It's too tall by a set of body posts. Other than that, it did it. Beautiful. Little push. I hope I can do it along, but yeah, his is the shorter wheelbase too. This is a 12.8 versus 12.3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have a 4.75 tire? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're on the same tire size. I'm on a J Concepts Landmine. This is a RC 4-wheel drive. You know
Goodyear MTR.
MTRs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Goodyear MTRs. Yeah, the slow speedness is nuts. I'm going significantly faster than you are. I don't know if I can go that slow. Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, the slow speed crawl ability is unmatched. And this is a weird thing, even if you put like a big obstacle in front of it, right? If you make it harder for it, the field-oriented control just does whatever magic it needs to feed it more power to get over whatever obstacles in front of it, which is nuts.
How does it sense the resistance?
I was just Googling it today. It's all math and algorithms.
Cool. It's working.
Yeah. Pulses the electromagnets in certain frequencies to overcome whatever it calculates as the resistance ahead of it. Super cool. The holding the throttle lightly and just walking it is so beautifully smooth and silent too. It's great.
Dead silent. That's what I know.
Yeah, I love how quiet it is now. It's only chirpy on like full pin. Now it's can the tire do it? Hey, now it's can the tire get the grip to get up it? Because I don't have to add it any power. I just need to get it more grip. I guess on a wet rock, I'm not going to be able to do it.
The tire's like just digging its way in.
Oh, is it? Yeah. You have too much bumper. Oh! Don't prove me wrong. Nope, prove me right. Oh, nice! I gotta get back down. Nice. I'm not wearing water shoes. I wanted the grip.
Pop, yeah.
Oh,
A little bit harder.
oh, no, I don't think the lane mines have the grip. You have a significantly different tire than I do.
I do. Try a little bit harder of a bump though.
Yay!
Oh, nice.
All right, I did it. Get my foams wet. Do I want to?
Are you going for the white rock? What are you going for?
I don't know. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. Whoa. We're approaching high tide.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. The fusion system is ultra smooth, very, very nice to crawl on. I'm about to lose power on the GoPro, so we're gonna call it here. Definitely put a fusion system in your crawler. It's a game changer, guys. Game changer. Really, really enjoyable. Super enjoyable, the Hobbywing fusion system. Anything with the field operated control makes a big difference. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new and subscribe, you want to talk to me, comment below. As always, thanks for watching. Did you go up here? No, that's in the way. How'd you get over that? Fail. Haven't been this way yet. Going for a crawl with our Traxxas TRX4 crawlers. We both put Hobbywing fusion systems in with the field-oriented control. Man, it makes crawling so buttery smooth. You don't have to add throttle when you approach obstacles. You just hold the constant throttle position and it just keeps on trucking. It's pretty awesome for getting smooth, beautiful crawl speeds. So as I approach this rock, I don't have to add throttle to get through that. It just works.
Kind of cheater mode.
You still have to pick a good line though. If your line is terrible, and you're gonna still have a tire, a truck, a line, like it takes away the twitchy finger issue. What's that?
Just saying, like, yeah, you're right. It does take away the slipping finger issue. It makes everything so smooth.
Yeah, because I would get myself in trouble a lot when I would try and add power in a situation like this. And now I know I don't need to. It's a tire thing. It's not a power thing. Well, this is like a mudslide, landslide from the cliff above, hey? With grace and precision. So yeah, that type of stuff, I found those tires bad at. They just dig. I ran those tires at a comp once that had a hill climb like this and I couldn't do it. So I think I'll be able to climb up the silty stuff taller. I'll see if I can. We've got to be in the high speed. Oh, I was in high speed the whole time. Whoops. Huh? Uh-oh. Just don't get it wet. Try not to. One thing is it's so smooth, I keep forgetting and crawling in the wrong gear. Yeah, it's like I've been crawling in high speed 90% of the time. So yeah, now I'm in low. The first time I did it in high gear, now I'm in low gear. I took a bad line on that approach, so you got to be over here more. Oh, I hesitated. Nice. High grip surface drag race on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you got the jump. I did a wheelie. Also, we did a long little track and he does have a little bit more speed. That extra 400 kV makes a difference.
It's hard with the bead off. It's very...
Oh, right, I forgot. Yeah, you blew a bleed. I forgot. All right, go. Your short wheelbase thing also, it kind of wheelies and then throws you offline. Anyway, seems like I have a slightly more brake than you, but that could also be my weight.